डिविजनल चार्ट्स, बट अगर एक ही कुंडली में राहु केतु जहां बैठते हैं, दोज टू हाउसेस मस्ट बी स्टडीड इन वेरी मच डिटेल. Why?
Okay.
Because जहां राहु बैठा है, that will show what you want expanded in your life. What you want, what you will desire. Whether you do it or not is different. It is an unfulfilled desire of your past life. Where Ketu is sitting is where is your comfort zone.
Okay.
तो एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं आपको. Let's assume Rahu is sitting in your 11th house, house of gains. इसका and Rahu is very strong, तो आपको gains मिलेंगे. You're going to work hard towards your gains. Gains, gains, gains. But केतु बैठ गया बच्चों के घर में. So you're not going to give that much emphasis to your children. That's what it's going to do. On the other hand, let's assume Rahu Ketu आपकी कुंडली में बैठ गया है, where Rahu is sitting in your 6th, 7th house and Ketu is sitting in your house. Since Rahu is sitting in your wife's house or husband's house, you will give them more importance, more priority. You'll try to please them. You'll do everything in life for them. खुद के लिए ज़्यादा करोगे नहीं. We'll take another flip. If Rahu is sitting in your 4th house, family house, you're going to get a bigger house, more happiness. But Ketu अगर 10th में बैठ जाता है, that is your career. And I just told you कि Ketu is the planet of basically saying मुझे growth नहीं चाहिए. I'm comfortable where I am. तो जहाँ केतु बैठता है, it is your comfort zone. पिछले जन्म में you were very comfortable doing that. And you're still doing it.
Continuing.
So it is your job to identify आपका केतु कहाँ है. केतु in 10th typically means you're content with your career. I'm not saying इसका ये मतलब नहीं आप grow नहीं होगे. You're content, you're happy. You have met some people who no matter what you tell them, they're just doing what they do because they want to do it. उन्हें करना है. क्यों करना है नहीं पता. तो that is why राहु केतु are so important. आपकी कुंडली में कहाँ बैठे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. If an astrologer is unable to tell you that first, then he is making a giant mistake. Rahu, Ketu are two planets, shadow planets. We call them shadow because dikhte nahi, and they're always working backwards.
Okay.
They are retrograde.
Retrograde.
ये कभी सीधे नहीं जाते. So every planet can go retrograde in your chart, with the exception of Sun and Moon. ये retrograde नहीं जाते. Venus, Mercury, they all go retrograde, but Rahu, Ketu are permanently retrograde. तो जहां राहु बैठा है, केतु बैठा है, they will amplify or neutralize some aspect of your life. So how do you study these planets? Simple rule. First look कि ये कौन से घर में बैठे हैं, and then see इनकी dignity क्या है. Are they in exaltation means very strong or very weak? Then you must see कि ये कौन से sign में बैठे हैं, इनके साथ कौन सा planet बैठा है. Then you will get a total idea of what Rahu Ketu do. Rahu will always act like Saturn.
Okay.
Ketu will always act like Mars. So now you have Rahu जो शनि है, जो शनि की qualities ले गया. Then you have Ketu which is acting like Mars, which is the planet of violence. Okay. अगर केतु बैठा है Jupiter की, let's say he's sitting in Sagittarius or he's sitting in Pisces. Now he also has the characteristics of Jupiter. So violence on a larger scale.
Oh.
If he is with another planet, let's say Mercury, it could be violence on a large scale using technology. He will take the characteristics of the planet he sits with, the house he is sitting in, and his own natural characteristics. अब हम natural characteristics की भी बात करेंगे.
जी.
राहु केतु जो हैं, they are exalted, they become strong in certain signs, they become weak in certain signs, but that is not the scope of this. The purpose I am doing this show is because I want people to understand कि when you come to an astrologer, Rahu Ketu are hidden aspects of your life, but there are also aspects which you can improve in your life. For example, Ketu सब कहते हैं it is spirituality. It is the planet that of liberation. तो राहु किस चीज का planet है? Rahu is the planet of expansion. जब शादी होती है we look at Rahu Dasha because expand हो रही है family.
Okay.
जब बच्चे देखते हैं we look at Rahu Dasha. घर बड़ा होता है. You want to buy a nice property, we look at Rahu Dasha. So Rahu will expand your current property, your finances. So Rahu is very important. What is Rahu Karak for? वो पढ़ना है पहले.
Okay.
Karak जो होता है, it is significator. What he will give you. Rahu is the significator of research.
Okay.
So अगर Rahu 9th house में बैठ जाए, it does wonderful, gives you good research. It gives you life in foreign land. So all the listeners here who want to immigrate to USA, it's life in foreign land. If you're born here and you say you want to move to Europe, you must have good strong Rahu. अमंगस्ट अदर्स। राहु आपको ट्रैवल देता है, राहु आपको अनडिनाइबल want of something भी देता है, whether it is beauty, luxury, cars. There are some
Okay.
people who want something in life which they don't get. वो राहु होता है। राहु also gives you different kinds of diseases, skin disease, poison, epidemics. COVID was caused by Rahu. It's an epidemic. It is caused by Rahu. जब राहु की दशा आती है, राहु strong होता है दुनिया पे, it causes epidemics. It also causes multiple affairs in a man or a woman because expansion है, depending कौन से planet के साथ है, right? Rahu is also the planet that gives widowhood in both male and female. Rahu जो होता है, it can cause drowning in a person. So it's not all good कि it gives you many things. It can give you bad things. Alcoholism, drugs is caused by Rahu. When you have too many friends with who you just drink all the time, that is Rahu. Rahu also makes you an inventor, but in general, Rahu can give you suicide, slavery, short temper. So you have to balance. देखिए, अगर राहु नहीं हो आपकी कुंडली में, you're not going to achieve the expansion you need in life. तो सोचो आप बच्चे हो, बच्चे ही रहोगे, ना आपका ब्रेन ग्रो होगा, ना बॉडी ग्रो होगी. राहु is needed to make you grow. Rahu learns from lessons. Research is Rahu. So professions जो राहु के होते हैं, they are lawyers, scholars, medicines, electricity, airlines, aeronautics, computers, they all Rahu. Rahu is a very good planet. You must make sure your Rahu is strong. डरना नहीं है राहु से, because it's like you can't get scared of any planet, ना?
Right.
Now we'll switch gears a little और अब बात करते हैं केतु की. केतु is उल्टा of राहु. Rahu is expansion. What is Ketu? Ketu is either compression or denial of expansion.
Okay.
Okay. तो जब हम कुंडलियाँ देखते हैं सेलिब्रिटीज की, they have multiple faces in movies. Amitabh Bachchan could be a father in one movie, he could be a midget in a second movie, he could be a villain in a third movie, and he's done hundreds of movies. That's Rahu. Rahu hides your face. So people who have strong Rahu have different personalities. They could be bipolar, they could be different.
Okay.
But that is what Rahu does. अब केतु की बात करते हैं. Ketu is a planet of moksha. Let's start with that. The simple planet of moksha. जैसे जैसे आप लाइफ लीड करोगे, you keep coming back on earth. Your purpose is not solved yet. You have that unfulfilled desire, Rahu. केतु is obviously जहाँ आप comfortable थे. तो जो केतु आता है, ये मोक्ष का है. When we see केतु exalted in the 12th house, मतलब केतु बहुत strong है. अगर उसके ऊपर जुपिटर का एस्पेक्ट पड़ गया, then we know this soul can be liberated. Again, Ketu in exaltation in 12th house with only positive aspect of Jupiter. We know कि ये soul जा सकती है, and we have seen these charts. We see these charts in Swamis, Pandits, पीर जो होते हैं, पीर बाबा जो genuinely अच्छे हैं. We have seen this in their chart. Okay.
12th house में केतु.
12th house में Ketu in exaltation with aspect of Jupiter. Not just 12th house in Ketu.
Okay.
12,000 केतु हो तो 1 out of 10 people will have that, and that's not going to help. केतु जो है, he is a planet of detachment. So when you have strong ketu, you will be detached from that zone in your life. If ketu is sitting on children, you might not have kids. If ketu is sitting on wealth, you might not have money, or you'll be very stingy, you won't know how to use it on yourself. Ketu is also, हम मोक्ष कहते रहते हैं, but ketu is also representing life in foreign land. Now you'll ask, Rahu was life in foreign land. How can Ketu be? Ketu can be another way. For example, asylum.
Oh.
Ketu is non-traditional way of getting something in life. Both Rahu Ketu have, imprisonment, but Ketu की imprisonment ज़्यादा हो सकती है. Ketu can make you, it can ruin you in many ways. इतना याद रखना कि Ketu is also very strong for astrologers. We must see a strong Ketu for them because there's some connection with spirituality or something. Ketu also can represent, कभी कभी आपकी लाइफ में इतनी चीजें अटकती हैं जो आगे जाती ही नहीं. Ketu. Bankruptcy. Ketu. Litigation. Ketu. While Rahu can cause epidemics, Ketu can cause nuclear war. Ketu can cause destruction. So for all the listeners, अगर आपको एक simple question पूछे, which is a more deadly dangerous planet? In Western astrology they will say Rahu, but in Vedic astrology it is Ketu. While Rahu is the planet which can overshadow the moon. Ketu can overshadow the sun.
Sun.
एंड जब सन जाता है तो आदमी की सोल जाती है. एक शो पे मैंने बात की थी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डेथ. यू कुड बी इन कोमा, where you still have your soul, but your body is not functioning. You could be in another state where your mind is not functioning, right, which is coma, but you
Yeah.
could be in another state where your body is not functioning. But if your soul is not functioning, nothing can happen.
That's dead.
Yeah. So Ketu जो होता है, they do different things with Ketu. Ketu का जो profession, what are some professions for Ketu? I mean, I have notes. People who work in morgues,
Okay.
that is Ketu. Pandits, पीर, जो religious लोग होते हैं, तांत्रिक, people who work in slaughterhouses, people,
Forensic maybe.
forensics,
Forensics.
absolutely forensics, people who dig. Now you may be surprised कि एक साइड पे पंडित ऐसा है, एक साइड पे बुचर कह रहे हो. Yes, because it depends on the dignity of Ketu, depends on the strength of Ketu, depends on the aspects of Ketu. The purpose of my show is not to scare you, but to tell you need to have a balanced planet in your chart. Balanced planet नहीं रखोगे तो बहुत problem होगा आपको. You're going to have problems. Now, this is the world of AI, artificial intelligence. Rahu acts like Saturn, Ketu acts like Mars. Mars is the dominant planet for AI. So is Ketu. If you have some combination of Ketu, Mars, or you're, let's say, a Scorpio ascendant with your ascendant sitting in 8th house or Scorpio, we know for a fact you will make money in AI. You will be successful in AI. So for all the listeners out there, look where your Mars is. Look, is it placed in natural zodiac in the 8th house? Is it placed in Saturn? Is your Ketu making some aspect or yoga with Mars? And if yes, look carefully at your Mercury also. And if these are true, you will make a killing in the future in AI. For those of you who don't have it, you must work around it. So you must do something कि Ketu का aspect आए उन पे. To understand, this is very tricky.
Yeah, definitely. I was going to say that, and if you don't get to know it by yourself, that where your Rahu Ketu is, Dr. Saket Bhatia is right here. He can help you. Contact कर सकते हैं आप directly either by calling him 408-639-5300, or you can connect with him through his website saketbhatia.com. Once again, the website is by his first and last name, saketbhatia.com. info@saketbhatia.com is where you can write to him if you have any particular question. And every Tuesday you listen to him live on Radio Zindagi 4 to 5 p.m. The Saket Bhatia Astrology Show चल रहा है guys. And connect कीजिए Dr. Saket Bhatia से if you have any question, any concern regarding astrology or numerology, as he is an expert in both. कॉल करना है आपको 408-639-5300, that's the direct number. और या फिर आपको लॉग ऑन करना है वेबसाइट पे saketbhatia.com. And we are talking about Rahu and Ketu today. So we will continue that. But if you have any question, do write to him info@saketbhatia.com.
If Ketu is placed in the sign of Jupiter, it becomes good. Knowledge देता है. Jupiter की, like I said, Ketu will take the qualities of the planet, house he's sitting in and his own. अब ये Mars है Ketu, which is action. Jupiter is expansion, knowledge. So Ketu itself will start acting as you are thirsty for some knowledge. Rahu on the other hand does very well in the sign of Venus. अगर राहु टॉरस में चला जाए या लिब्रा, you'll have a life of luxury. You may have multiple partners. That's what it does. That's what these charts do. That's what they tell us you're going to do.
So हमने professions की बात की है about Rahu. So what about Ketu? If people who has Ketu other than these morgue and forensic, any other profession?
Unfortunately not. अगर
Not?
केतु आपकी, because see, somebody has to work in a slaughterhouse, somebody has to be a butcher, somebody has to be a barber, somebody has to be, a medical practitioner जो दवाइयाँ बना रहे हैं that they are not able to find out the cure for. That's all Ketu. Occult sciences.
Okay.
You have many astrologers that come on your show. You have many psychics. You have many mediums. You have many, different people. Their Ketus must be strong. जितने आते हैं astrologers, numerologists, tarot readers, psychics, they all have very strong Ketu.
Okay.
Mediums. The Ketu must be strong. Without that, you won't be able to do it. And Ketu comfort zone hai. So watch where your Ketu is. If you're not coming up in life, and Ketu takes 2.5 years in a sign. जहाँ बैठ जाता है 2.5 years spend करता है. He'll give you trouble. So we've had cases, I'll give you example. Couple is not having a child. तो first हमने देखा fifth house पढ़ते हैं. We looked at the fifth house, we looked at the fifth house lord. We looked at Jupiter जो कारक है बच्चों का. Jupiter जो कारक था was very weak. Weak doesn't mean denial. Weak means you can still.
Delay.
Then we checked the D9 and the D60 chart to get the strength, and the planet was debilitated. It was finished.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Why can they not do IVF then? They can do IVF.
Yeah.
बट केतु की दशा चल रही थी उनके ऊपर. और जब केतु चलता है, हमने पहले ही कह दिया डोंट डू इट, यू नॉट गोइंग टू हैव सक्सेस. दे ट्राइड, दे केम टू अस व्हेन केतु वाज ऑलरेडी 1 year आउट. दे ट्राइड वंस, नहीं हुआ. दे ट्राइड सेकंड टाइम, नहीं हुआ. थर्ड टाइम वी टोल्ड देम भाई यू शुड हैव ट्राइड नाउ. दे गिव अप. व्हेन दे फाइनली ट्राइड दे हैड अ चाइल्ड. सो astrology is not here to change your life path. It is not here to change your destiny, but it is here to help you time events so you make the right decision at the right time. ये astrology का है. बहुत कुछ पता चलता है astrology में. But राहु केतु की बात करें, so let's talk on that.
So if somebody has weak Ketu, are there any remedies for that?
So weak केतु के लिए we always tell you there are few things you can do. First, a lucky stone, gemstone is cat's eye. Again, I am not telling everybody on this show you must wear a cat's eye because Rahu, Ketu are dangerous anyway. You must increase their strength only if needed. Do not do it by yourself. Go to an astrologer. Sometimes you can make a planet stronger by looking at other aspects on it. For Ketu, अगर Jupiter उनको देखता है या Mars देखता है, अपने आप strong हो जाएंगे. Go wear a panna or a yellow sapphire instead of wearing a cat's eye. It could harm you. बट अगर आपको फिर भी केतु स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, गो वेयर अ कैट्स आई. यू कैन ऑल्सो डोनेट सम थिंग्स विच आई ऑलवेज एनकरेज ऑन द शो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑन अ संडे मॉर्निंग डोनेट ब्लैंकेट्स, वाइट कलर और ब्लैक कलर. केतु के कलर्स हैं. शुगर, यू कैन ऑल्सो डोनेट सैफरन, और कोई भी पेट एनिमल को फीड कीजिए, इट विल हेल्प यू.
Okay.
Not necessarily cat, not necessarily dog, just feed a pet animal. It is going to help you tremendously.
Okay.
वो केतु करेगा. नाउ सेम थिंग विल गो विथ राहु. व्हाट इज राहु स्टोन? राहु का जो स्टोन है, इट्स अ गोमेड, राइट? बट अगर आपका राहु वीक है, देन आपको एक्सपेंशन नहीं मिल रही. देयर आर पीपल ऑन दिस कॉल हु आर ऑन द शो हु आर लिसनिंग. दे हैव कंसल्टिंग कंपनीज, दे हैव लीगल फर्म्स, बट बिजनेस ग्रो नहीं हो रहा. दे पुटिंग इन 17 hours a day, 20 hours a day, बट ग्रो नहीं हो रहा. व्हाई? लुक केयरफुली एट योर राहु. Is your Rahu expanding? Is it not expanding? Use Rahu to your benefit. Rahu की जो aspect है, वो भी अच्छी होती है. So in order to make your Rahu strong, we tell you to donate a few things. You must donate it on a Thursday morning or a Monday morning.
Okay.
You must donate सरसों की दाल, तेल या सरसों का दाल, मूली, blanket, saffron. Or you can mix grains and donate them. These are good. These are nice things because they will come to somebody's benefit.
Yeah, right.
So-
Definitely, that's a wonderful idea. In fact, I think all these remedies, if something is involved giving back to the society, that is definitely going to come back in a good way.
It always does. तो राहु केतु मेक लॉट्स ऑफ दोष ऑल्सो. एक काल सर्पयोग होता है. देखिए, जो योग की एक बात करते हैं अभी, जो ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट हैं हिंदुइज्म के, उनमें योग मेंशन नहीं है. वेदर इट इज पंच महापुरुष योग और काल सर्प योग, और वेदर इट इज राज योग, देयर इज नो मेंशन ऑफ एनी योग. तो आप योग आया कहाँ से? देखिए, रूल्स तो बना के दे दिए जिन्होंने दिए कि दिस इज इट, बट ओवर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स लोगों ने ये रूल्स पढ़े हैं और एनालाइज किए हैं और देखा है कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि इसकी कुंडली में ये प्लैनेट्स ऐसे प्लेस्ड हैं लेकिन इनको डिफिकल्टी मिल रही है. ऐसा क्यों है कि इनके प्लैनेट्स ऐसे, उनको तरक्की मिल रही है. फिर उन्होंने सोचा कि हो सकता है कि जो प्लैनेट 5th और 9th हाउस में बैठा है उनका लॉर्ड, अगर वो 4, 7, 1, 9 में बैठ जाए, 7 या 10 में बैठ जाए, इट ब्रिंग्स यू गुड लक. देन दे कॉल दिस राजयोग. वैसे अगर गुरु और एक के साथ बैठ जाए, गुरु चंडाल योग कहते हैं,
Yeah.
राइट? अगर जुपिटर सिट्स इन इट्स ओन हाउस और एक्सल्टेशन इन हाउस नंबर 1, 4, 7, 10, 9, वी कॉल इट जुपिटर का जो भी योग है, पंच महापुरुष योग. तो
Okay.
इतने सारे योग बन गए हैं that there are now thousands and thousands of yogs. But remember, some yogs are dasha dependent. जब दशा आएगी तभी वो योग आते हैं.
जी.
संयोग या दशा इंडिपेंडेंट. जब दो दशा नहीं आती, दे आर स्टिल इन पावर. तो वन सच थिंग इज काल सर्पयोग. अभी काल सर्पयोग का सिंपल लॉजिक है, ऑल द प्लैनेट्स आर ऑन वन साइड ऑफ योर चार्ट,
जी.
ऑल ऑफ देम. राहु केतु के बीच में है. नाउ यू मे से व्हाट इज सो यूनिक अबाउट इट. वेल, व्हाट इज यूनिक इज 12 घर हैं और प्लैनेट्स 9 हैं. अगर 9 के 9 प्लैनेट्स एक 6 साइड पे बैठ गए तो प्रॉब्लम तो है. द अदर पार्ट इज एम्प्टी. सो फर्स्ट काल सर्पयोग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, it will cause some problems in your life.
Okay.
But everybody's life has a problem.
Yeah.
Kal Sarpyog will cause unexpected problems at unexpected times. The magnitude of that problem may be small or large. तो rules है काल सर्पयोग के लिए भी. Remember, अगर काल सर्पयोग में all the planets, remember in astrology we move anti-clockwise in the North Indian chart. अगर all the planets are going from Rahu to Ketu and they cross the ascendant, then that particular kundali mein Kal Sarpyog becomes very weak.
Okay.
On the other hand, if the planets are going from Rahu to Ketu but they're crossing the 7th house, ulta, then it becomes a bigger problem for you in life. So, Kal Sarpyog का कोई उपाय नहीं होता, जैसे कोई बोलते हैं कि
पूजा करवाते हैं.
No,
That's
there
what
is
I've
no
heard.
such thing. You have to learn to deal with it. You have to understand कि जब दशा आएगी प्रॉब्लम होगा, so prepare for it. And that's one thing we'll do. You come, you sit with us, हम बोलेंगे okay, your health might suffer, marriage might suffer, children might suffer. ये issues आएंगे आपको because of your Kal Sarpyog. So prepare for it accordingly. Na? Remember one thing, Kal Sarpyog can also give you things which other yogs cannot give you. For example, like I gave you that classic example, अगर केतु बैठा है 4th में, राहु बैठा है 10th में and they're passing through the ascendant, बहुत ही spiritual आदमी, generous आदमी रहेगा, और lady, they'll do very well in life, they'll be content. Kal Sarpyog does not impair physical health. It does not impair mental health. It does not impair longevity. It only impacts your mind on how you are analyzing situations and how you perceive and how the world perceives you.
And you don't have to do any correction there.
Not necessary unless you really want to. Kya correction? We cannot pick up a planet and move it somewhere else.
Yeah.
We can look at the intensity of that, right? So Kal Sarpyog native suffers when Rahu Ketu come very close to the nodes. So आपकी कुंडली में जब राहु पे या राहु केतु पे आएगा, which is happens, it spends 2.5 years in a sign, तब जाके उसका असर ज़्यादा लगेगा आपको.
Okay.
Otherwise you're good, because one way of looking at it is all the planets are in 6 houses, so that will be your core focus in life.
Right.
The other 6 might not have the focus that you need in life.
So, with that, can we now talk about the body parts and the ailments associated with Ketu?
So body parts and ailments with Ketu. First Rahu करते हैं, because
Okay.
Rahu is always, you say Rahu Ketu.
जी.
तो राहु केतु के जो बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं एंड द एलिमेंट्स आर डिजीजेस ऑफ स्प्लीन के जो पार्ट्स हैं, पीपल हु फॉल फ्रॉम हाई प्लेसेस, एनी इंटेस्टाइन डिजीज
Okay.
इज टिपिकली राहु. वी हैव नोटिस्ड जो मर्डरर्स होते हैं हु हैव इंसैनिटी, हु जस्ट रैंडमली गो किलिंग पीपल, दे हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अमाउंट ऑफ राहु. राहु कॉजेज लेप्रेसी, राहु कॉजेज स्किन डिजीजेस. राहु जो पॉइजन दे के मरते हैं, दे हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग राहु. सो बेसिकली राहु इज एनी डिजीज विच इज डिफिकल्ट टू बी डायग्नोस्ड बट स्टिल कैन बी ट्रीटेड. द की वर्ड इज डिफिकल्ट टू डायग्नोस बट कैन बी ट्रीटेड. सो इफ यू हैव some, let's say, migraine problem which is going on for years and कुछ उसका असर नहीं है, look at your Rahu. Ketu क्या है? Rahu was spleen, Ketu is also spleen, but Ketu can cause blindness. Ketu causes cataract. Ketu causes bleeding problem, lung trouble, fever, stomach pain, because Ketu governs your stomach. Diverticulitis is stomach. Crohn's disease is stomach. So Ketu will do that. Ketu also will cause an undiagnosed disease. Nobody will be able to cure you. That is Ketu. Or you will not be cured yourself. आप डॉक्टर के पास ही नहीं जाओगे. You will say, I don't need to go. Undiagnosed disease. Ketu also causes leprosy. Ketu causes suicidal tendencies. ये फर्क है. Ketu causes suicidal tendencies. Rahu causes suicide.
Okay.
When you see Rahu Moon conjunction in a woman, generally they happen to be very pretty, they happen to be very charming, they happen to be models. I'm not saying it's uncommon, but they have very nice charm to them. Sun Rahu in a man, on the other hand, makes them very dominant. हमने काफी CEOs की चार्ट पढ़ी है. They have Sun Rahu combination, and the combination's conjunction is very, very strong. So remember, Sun Rahu, welcome. Moon Rahu, welcome. Moon Ketu, not welcome. And Moon Sun Ketu, definitely not welcome.
Okay. What
So-
does it do?
Ketu will blind your moon.
Oh,
You won't be able to make the right decisions at the right time.
okay.
While Rahu makes you go insane. Remember, insanity की भी treatment होती है. दवाइयाँ मिलती हैं. You could go to an asylum. Moon Ketu would just seize you to a point where your brain stops functioning. You'll go into coma.
Okay.
Beware of Ketu. Make Ketu strong, but not overly strong where it takes over you. Ketu detachment देता है. Some people who are aloof. There are people who drink socially, and then there are people who drink alone. Some people will drink socially to a point where they'll become alcoholics. That is typically Rahu with Venus, because Venus controls alcoholism.
Okay.
Rahu is expansion, Rahu is friends. ये friend के circle में बहुत पिएंगे.
Okay.
Ketu with Venus, on the other hand, will make you drink alone to a point where you will break down and you will become an alcoholic alone. When we see Ketu in your third house, we know you take your friends for granted. You're not interested in growing your friend circle. You're very comfortable with your courage. When we see Rahu in your third house, you die. You want to have a bigger friend circle. You want to be popular. That is what Rahu and Ketu do. Exactly ulta.
Opposite.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में पहले समझिए कि आपके प्लैनेट्स क्या हैं, आपके घर क्या हैं, एंड देन एंटिसिपेट राहु केतु कहाँ बैठे हैं. लाइफ विल बिकम प्रॉपर फॉर यू. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग कॉल्स सिंपली बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस टुडे. आई वांट टू कंप्लीट राहु केतु फॉर अ
जी.
चेंज.
Definitely, but I would like to remind listeners that although you cannot ask questions right now, but you can always connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly. आप कॉल कर सकते हैं उन्हें for all your astrology और numerology related questions. Directly कॉल कीजिए at 408-639-5300. Once again, you can call him directly 408-639-5300 or you can connect through the website जहां आपको सारी information मिलेगी उनके बारे में. saketbhatia.com. Once again, the website is saketbhatia.com. You can also shoot an email at info@saketbhatia.com, or again, the number where you can connect with him is 408-639-5300.
सी राहु एंड केतु आर आउटकास्ट.
जी.
आउटकास्ट है, बट वेयर एवर दे प्लेस दे विल एम्पलीफाई और रिड्यूस द एनर्जी ऑफ दैट हाउस. अगर 7th हाउस में हम मेल की चार्ट पढ़ रहे हैं एंड लेट्स अज्यूम वहाँ वीनस राहु बैठा है. वीनस इज द वाइफ, राहु इज एक्सपेंशन. सो हमको पता है कि इधर मल्टीपल पार्टनर होंगे या वाइफ जो होगी शी विल बी फ्रॉम आउट ऑफ कम्युनिटी. अगर
Okay.
12th हाउस में बैठ गए राहु केतु, राहु विद वीनस, देन वी नो कि मैरिज विल बी इन अ फॉरेन लैंड विद अ फॉरेन पार्टनर.
Okay.
12th house is the house of loss.
Yeah.
You're losing your own partner for somebody from a different custom, different tradition. Same way Ketu.
Okay.
Ketu 12th house में आता है. अभी गुरु नानक देव जी की चार्ट देखो तो he has Ketu I think in 1st house. भगवान राम की देख लो he has Ketu in 12th house.
Oh.
1st house में जब केतु आता है it makes you detached from the world. You are focused on yourself. You're focused on imparting your knowledge to other people. भगवान राम की कुंडली में
12th house.
Ketu 12th house we know he never came back. Right? He did not, because he reached a point where 12th house हमने कहा है मोक्ष का घर है. Right? He made the rules, so he can do what he wants with them.
Right.
So these planets are very important. Wherever they are placed, they will impact your life in so many ways. And don't stop blaming कि हमारा राहु ने ये किया है, हमारा केतु ने ये किया है. Definitely जब राहु केतु कोई घर पे आएंगे, they will do damage. If they are on your 5th house, आपको बच्चे देंगे, आपको पैसे देंगे stocks में. So if you are in the stock market and Rahu is on your 5th house, go invest. It's a good time for you. If Rahu is on your 10th house, house of career, go switch jobs, go ask for a promotion. You will get one. Those 2.5 years will be wonderful. आई हैव हर्ड सो मेनी पीपल टेल मी इतने अच्छे चल रहे थे 2 साल हमारे, फिर क्या हो गया पता नहीं. इट्स राहु. या 2 साल से हम सफर कर रहे हैं, कुछ हो नहीं रहा. दैट इज केतु. सो प्लीज don't think these are bad planets. They are good planets. They do stuff. But there are so many things जो हमने पढ़ी है इनके बारे में which you should be aware of. We won't get a chance to talk about, Rahu, Ketu in different houses. अगर करना है, we can try that actually.
Yeah.
Rahu, Ketu in different houses, right? Let's talk of Rahu in first house. First house is you. जब राहु यहाँ आता है, it gives you weak health
Okay.
because you're focused on other people. You will talk a lot. You will have all kinds of personalities which are flamboyant. So flamboyant people, Rahu in first house, very common. There are so many more, I can't delete. Rahu is also research, so you will constantly be thinking. You'll be attached to knowledge. Second house, wealth and values. Rahu यहाँ आता है, you want to be rich. You will be rich. But you'll constantly be worried about your finances. हमें और बनाना है, हम कैसे बनाएं? हमने देखा है जब राहु सेकंड हाउस में आता है, it breaks your education. You'll have a break. I'm not saying stop, but break. Okay. You also will have some responsibilities of in-laws, one side or the other. Third house, your courage, friends, अच्छा रहेगा. Long life, healthy, lots of friends, etc. But it is also the house of older brother. तो उनके साथ आपका पंगा रहेगा. अगर फोर्थ हाउस में राहु आता है, गुड हाउस, गुड वाइफ, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, प्रॉपर्टी अच्छी मिलेगी, बट वाइफ की हेल्थ थोड़ी खराब रहेगी. We have noticed that when you have Rahu in the fourth house, you have more daughters and less sons. Couples में थोड़ी सी jealousy रहती है, otherwise ठीक रहता है.
Okay.
In the fifth house, when Rahu comes there, it limits your progeny, which means आपकी जो lineage है, वो limit हो जाती है. People get short-tempered, but this is primarily for women. Rahu Dasha also causes affairs because fifth house is also the house of affairs, na?
Right.
Sixth house, enemies. जब राहु एनिमी पे आता है, destroys your enemies.
Oh.
It doesn't expand them. ये उल्टा है.
हाँ,
राहु
that is
destroys your
expansion.
enemies. It gives you a long life. It destroys hurdles that come in your life. Now imagine if you have a person with Sun Rahu combination in the sixth house, he will. This is a politician's chart who has many enemies. He will destroy them and reach big heights. If the Sun is exalted in Aries, और भी strong होगा.
Dominating personality.
Dominating personality, lots of riches, excellent, very very good. Only problem is that mother may suffer. That is one issue. Seventh house में unprincipled life होती है. Multiple partners होंगे before marriage. Wife की length of life might be a little shorter, and unconventional marriage होती है. Family might not agree with this marriage initially.
Okay.
Rahu in 8th house, house of length of life. But जैसे राहु 6th house में उल्टा करता है, 8th में भी उल्टा करता है. It reduces the length of your life.
No expansion.
Yeah, but क्या होता है, in one show I told you, 8th house में जब negative planet आ जाता है, it reduces the life of your partner. So Rahu in the 8th house will reduce the life of your partner. In woman's chart, it almost always indicates widowhood in a female. 9th house में, this is the house of spirituality. राहु spirituality का तो है नहीं, तो he will make you go away from spirituality. इसमें आपके opponents भी होंगे. It causes troubles to others. You become selfish, you become rude, you become cunning, you cheat people. 10th house, house of career, excellent. You will grow. Career बढ़ते जाएगा आपका. You have to just go with your gut. अगर उस पे aspect अच्छा है Jupiter Mercury का, even stronger. You will do fairly well. But you will have limited children in life. You may have between 0 and 1 kids in your life. You will always earn your money through hard ways. कोई lottery नहीं देगा आपको. So those of you who want to know if you'll win the lottery, go check आपका राहु अगर 10th house में, I'm sorry, नहीं लगती.
जी.
11th house में any planet becomes strong. It gives you wealth, long life, prosperity. My notes also say that it gives you year trouble. When I say my notes, because I've been doing this for so many years, हमने लोगों की charts पढ़ी है, हमने notes लिखे हैं. And finally, Rahu in the 12th house. Rahu in the 12th house will give illness to your wife, illness to your husband.
Okay.
You will live away from your home. So I told you, Rahu means you're going to stay away. Separation from your partner might be there. I'm not saying divorce, I'm saying separation. Expenses will be more than income. Be careful of water. You will spend a lot of money. It's a life of luxuries. रात को नींद नहीं आएगी आपको. This is important factors about Rahu. Same way we'll talk about Ketu.
Ketu, yeah.
केतु समझते हैं कि फर्स्ट हाउस में क्या होता है. फर्स्ट हाउस में जब आता है then you basically become a person who is self-centered,
Yeah.
who is very calm, who is very stable.
Detached from
Detached
others.
from the world, detached from family, detached from everybody. You're here to prove something to some people. You will have lots of enemies, but you won't care about them. देखिए केतु comfort है. I am comfortable in my own skin. I don't need anybody to influence me. ये होता है केतु का. Second house में केतु means is going to contract your wealth. राहु was expanding. तो केतु बोलेगा आपको नहीं दूंगा. राहु stopped your education. केतु will make sure ये start हो जाती है. But केतु can give you stuttering, defective speech, bad. It's wealth and values in speech. टंग खराब होती है. फूड अजीब आदमी खाता है. Quarreling nature होता है.
Okay.
People that eat all kinds of weird stuff, we see they have Ketu in second house. Bizarre foods we say.
Okay.
Third house में हमने कहा था कि you have lots of friends with Rahu but short life. Ketu in third house means you have less friends but you have a long life.
Okay.
You have lots of strength, lots of courage. But if you have Ketu in third house, you may lose your older sibling at a younger age. Ketu in fourth house, not welcome. You will lose land, vehicles, happiness of mother. You will live in a foreign place. You may even be adopted. Disappointments, failures. It's a good sign for relation and dwelling if you're away from your motherland. But motherland में हो तो it's not going to do you. आपकी property खा जाएगा केतु पूरी.
Oh.
Loss of wealth. We had a guest on our show a few weeks ago who has Ketu in his fourth house, and this is exactly what happened to his family. Loss of wealth. Fifth house, house of children. Ketu यहाँ आ जाए, you'll be separated from kids. तभी बच्चे चले जाते हैं college, they don't talk to you, they don't look back, they have no relations with you. Go study your Ketu. Study why that is happening. Look, it is bound to happen. So don't waste your time, effort, energy trying to fix it. Accept it and see what remedies you can do to lessen the effect of it. कितने cases हैं यहाँ हमारी नहीं पड़ती, ये नहीं होता. You cannot drill and change somebody's mind. You cannot change their aptitude. You can only change yourself, or you can work around your planet so everything can be happy. मैंने हमेशा कहा है शो पे, do not do what is logically right. Do not do what is emotionally right. Do what is right. फर्क होता है.
Yeah.
आपकी लॉजिक और हमारी लॉजिक में फर्क है. Your emotions and mine are different.
Different.
But what is right, if you do that, whether it is wrong in your, whether you suffer from it is okay, but do what is right. It will not come back and haunt you.
Makes sense. Totally.
Ketu in the sixth house. Rahu destroys your enemies. Ketu enemy बढ़ाएगा. You will have a noble mind. You will have strong-willed. Success आएंगे बहुत failures के बाद. आप enemies के साथ लड़ोगे तभी आप जीतोगे. You will suffer ill treatment from family side. बहुत ill treatment आएगी आपको. You will be free from diseases. You will be lucky, famous, authoritative. You will even have astrology powers if you have Ketu there. You'll be very popular in life, but enemies आपके बढ़ते जाएंगे over time. That is Ketu in the sixth house. Ketu in the seventh house. ये तो wife या husband का घर आ गया.
जी.
वो तो destroy कर देगा marriage life को.
Oh.
You will take your partner for granted. Disrespect, humiliation. You will have no physical relations with your partner. You'll never be happy. You will also lose your partner if the aspect is bad. अगर ये दूसरा sign है like Scorpio sign, then it becomes beneficial. But if not, it's bad. Eighth house में हमने कहा था Rahu shortens your life. It
Yeah.
also reduces the life of your partner. In the eighth house, Ketu is also bad. But he gives you again knowledge of occult, etc. Eighth house is a hidden house. यहाँ जो होता है, you don't see it visible in your life. It's not like, it's something, a hidden aspect of your life. तो यहाँ जब आता है, again, it causes loss of friends, disappointment in life, accidents. Overall not good in this house.
Okay.
But just like Rahu can lead to short life of your partner, Ketu will also do the same thing.
Oh.
Short life of your partner.
Mm-hmm.
नाइन्थ हाउस तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी का है. अगर वहाँ राहु आ गया था तो ही मेक्स यू डू रॉन्ग थिंग्स इन लाइफ.
Mm-hmm.
लेकिन अगर केतु आ गया, ही मेक्स यू सेंटली.
Okay.
He makes you do charitable stuff. You can have a political career also if it is here, because politics means you're leading and changing the lives of millions of people,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
right? अगर यहाँ केतु आ जाता है, नाइन्थ हाउस तो फादर का घर है. केतु आ जाता है तो यू चांसेस आर यू विल लूज योर फादर एट एन अर्ली एज.
Mm-hmm.
Ketu is also inheritance of from family land. You
Mhm.
will lose your family land. It will make you weaker in terms of physical structure.
Mm-hmm.
So not another welcome place. Spirituality के लिए अच्छे. How many pandits, seers have you seen who have very stout body? They don't.
Yeah.
They have generally Ketu in 1st, 12th or 9th.
Mm-hmm.
Makes you kind of weak. 10th house. Rahu तो expand कर देता है आपको. What is Ketu going to do? Ketu means I am going to tell you that you are very comfortable with your job.
Content.
Content.
Hmm.
He will give you fame if you work hard. He'll give you money if you work hard. He'll give you recognition if you work hard.
Mm-hmm.
Good career if you have Ketu in the 10th house is go become a religious leader. So at least you'll be comfortable doing what you do and preaching to other people.
Mm-hmm.
11th house, house of gains. It's also the house of older siblings. It is also the house of recognition. जब हम डिग्री पढ़ते हैं ना किसी की,
Mm-hmm.
will you get a PhD? Look at the 11th house. वहाँ कौन सा एस्पेक्ट है, कौन से प्लैनेट्स है. 11th house में केतु has good qualities. They are able to gain money and hold it. They don't spend it.
Okay.
They enjoy money. They enjoy success. They are lucky. They learn many things in life. They are healthy, well dressed, impressive. Gains from many sources. जाते नहीं gains इनके, बनाते रहते हैं पैसे. Gains increase.
Mm-hmm.
Finally 12th house. अगर 12th house में केतु आ जाए, it indicates a lot of traveling. Now this is important because when we see asylum cases, if you have an asylum case, you want to know when you're going to get it, call me. We look at your chart. अगर केतु की दशा चल रही है, the chance that you will change your residence and profession, have a good, long, healthy, wealthy life is very strong. केतु दशा में आपका asylum हो सकता है. केतु अंतर दशा में आपका asylum हो सकता है.
Mm-hmm.
If your Rahu Ketu are weak and 12th house is weak, you're not going to get your green card. You're not going to be able to stay in a foreign land. It will change for you. Ketu in 12th house gives moksha if it is aspected well and if it is strong. But remember one thing, मोक्ष में भी आपको enemies बहुत मिलते हैं. मोक्ष इतना easy नहीं है कि somebody से आ जाओ, आंखें बंद कर लो, meditate कर लो, आपको मोक्ष मिल गया.
जी.
Many people will say, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? But it gets you respect of the state. It gets you lots of things. Wealth will be completely destroyed if Ketu is strong in the 12th house.
12th house.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You will live in a community or an ashram in the later part of your life if Ketu is strong in the 12th house. I am just trying to explain to you Rahu Ketu क्यों important है. Life में पैसे चाहिए, stability चाहिए, family चाहिए, health चाहिए, education चाहिए,
Mm-hmm.
spirituality चाहिए. ऐसा क्या है जो आपको नहीं चाहिए? Disease. You don't want disease. But as you get older, your body is getting weaker. Whether your muscle is shrinking or your heart is getting weaker or your liver is getting weaker. You cannot change that. But if you understand the planets, you can always do something around it to enhance the qualities of Rahu Ketu. If you want to start multiple businesses, look at your Rahu. Is it aspecting Mercury, the planet of business? Is it making sure he's expanding? Agar hai to jao. Do multiple
Start business.
businesses.
Mhm.
We've had people that open bunch of franchises that come to us. जब जब राहु की दशा आती है हम कहते हैं take loan, start your business. Sometimes we say reinvest this money. अगर केतु और मर्क्यूरी बैठे how will you grow? You cannot grow no matter what you do. Even the best idea will come crashing down. Especially जब केतु दशा आएगी, it will destroy you, your finances, everything. So please think carefully. Very, very important planets. They are not to be misunderstood. They are not कि हम डर जाते हैं राहु से. क्यों डरना है? हाँ डिजीज दे सकता है, ग्रोथ दे सकता है, शादी, बच्चा, enhanced wealth, enhanced education, सब कुछ दे सकता है राहु.
Absolutely, and that is, I think, the basic purpose of our show is myth busting, where like all the fears which are floating around, correcting them. And listeners, you heard it that whatever your question, wherever your confusion is in life, as Saket ji just mentioned, जैसे immigration से related अगर आपका कोई question, if you're concerned about your green card or if you have an asylum case, so basically जो भी आपकी life में unclear है, and if you are confused which step where to take, then Saket Bhatia ji is right here for you. आप call कीजिए उन्हें, astrology, numerology expert हैं. You can connect with him for all the questions you have in your life. 408-639-5300. And we also spoke about the multiple business thing, which he just mentioned right now. So if you are also in that boat where you want to decide either or, this business, that business, that is also one of the questions I think everybody has in their mind. So for all and lot more, do connect with him. 408-639-5300. SaketBhatia.com उनकी website है. If you're driving around, can't jot down the number, SaketBhatia.com is the website, or you can write to him, info@SaketBhatia.com. With that, we are almost at the end of our show. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. I appreciate being here. Next week we'll start talking a different thing.
Definitely.
Hopefully we'll talk more about issues as opposed to planets, as opposed to houses. So we will try to tackle one issue, whether it is immigration, health,
I think
marriage.
we should start with immigration. That would be the really burning topic. So yeah, definitely listeners, we'll be back next Tuesday. Don't forget to tune in 4 to 5 p.m. We'll be back with a new topic, but we will have Dr. Saket Bhatia live with us in the studio. So don't forget to tune in. With that, this is RJ Vedika signing off. Stay tuned to Radio Zindagi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi, KZDG 1550 AM